Yeah.
So this right here is going to be the coffee factory. We'll drive closer to it.
What bridge is this? This is an awesome bridge.
This is the bridge that goes over the Mississippi River.
This is an awesome bridge. So we're going to
Plaquemine.
Plaquemine. And you spelled it wrong, by the way. You didn't put the Q-U-E in.
Whoa. We're not going to start a fight.
You didn't put the Q-U-E in.
It's voice to text fucks it up.
Huh?
Voice to text fucks it up.
So we're driving now to Plaquemine because... say it one more time. Plaquemine. Because the power in La Quinta that I was going to stay in, they have no power.
And they ain't going to get it till the hurricane over.
Because there's an imminent...
Why does my accent come out
there's
when I go over the bridge?
imminent warning of hurricane. So I came at the wrong effing time. So we're on the freeway now, getting out of Baton Rouge, going back to Plaquemine, which is out in the boonies. Dustin belongs
Kenny, better back up.
in there. And Kenny
You did not just say I belong in the boondocks.
Well, you do. Again?
Oh, they're gonna.
How many warnings can I get? So I came during the hurricane. That's real cute. I was gonna have my bathing suit to go swimming, and I came during the hurricane. We are in. We're in. What's the name? Oh, Louis Cafe. We're in Louis Cafe.
Diner.
It says Louis Cafe.
Oh.
It said Louis Cafe.
Oh.
Here, Louis Cafe. So we're going to videotape. The menu is awesome. I already like the waitress. Awesome menu. And I'll take some pictures of it, or you can take pictures of the restaurant. Flip it. This is Louis Cafe restaurant. It's a really cute restaurant in Baton Rouge. We didn't know where to go. We went to a dog-friendly place where we were going to sit on the patio, but it looks like it's going to rain, so the dogs are in the car, which I'm not happy about. But the coffee is absolutely, you got me?
Yeah.
Coffee is locally brewed, roasted. It's a medium roast. What did she say? A medium
Dark
roast?
medium roast.
Dark medium roast. But let me tell you something. I've been drinking Starbucks on Delta Airlines, which Delta Airlines actually is a really good airline. I like it. I haven't flown them in a long time. Starbucks sucks. This is the real deal coffee. This will wire you like a motherfucker. This is really good. I like this, and it tastes good. It's a good cup of coffee.
And we'll insert some photos of the coffee factory.
And our waitress' name is Sky. She's absolutely adorable. And she used the phrase, which is from the 1940s. Oh, swell. They used that expression in 1940 movies. Oh, that's swell, honey. And she used that. And I told her, I said, you're young. You've got to be, maybe late 20s, early 30s, something like that. Yeah. So,
She's in college. She's like less than 24.
You think so?
Yeah. We're right by the college.
Well, she's very young. But anyway, she used the expression swell, which I love that. I'm going to start using that again. Oh, and they used to say, the women used to say it to the men, oh, you're swell, honey. And she said, oh. I said, how are you doing today? She goes, oh, I'm swell. She said she thinks she's an old soul. We'll get a picture of her. But just got into Baton Rouge. Very good flight. Had to change planes. But I did the wheelchair the whole way because I do have a muscle problem. So I did do a wheelchair. And now we're going to sit and have breakfast-lunch. And coffee's really good. No alcohol still. Almost 3 months. This is Sky. our server. She's absolutely adorable. That's the one that used the expression swell. So I like her. That's like from the 40s, but she said she's an old soul. And I believe it.
Yeah, and I also, I don't know if it's important, but I also do little happy creamers just to make a customer smile.
You do what?
Little happy creamers. I always say
Oh,
you're the
it's
sweetest
adorable.
creamer.
Yeah, that fits your personality. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I like that. Okay. This is Eggs Louisiana. It's shrimp and crawfish in a cream sauce with scallions. And I forgot what else is in there, but it's Louisiana. And the potatoes these are their hash brown, their home fried potatoes. They look absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this is after we eat it, but just take a look at shrimp, crawfish, and a cream sauce over an English muffin. And Dustin has a
Western. This is a Western omelet. So it's going to have bacon, tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, and Colby cheese. I got the hash browns and my coffee, and then I upgraded for, not my finger, a short stack and syrup. All right, I will keep you updated. Yeah.
He's gonna see. Oh, he's got cameras here. Kenny, I wanted to get you running, Kenny. Go run.
So...
Kenny, go run. He doesn't like people coming. Kenny, go run so I can get you run. Don't jump me. And here is Kenny Rogers chewing on his stick. Mako has taken a break over there. You can see her pharaoh ears sticking out. She's taking a break. But yeah, I got them bully sticks. It takes energy, so they have something to do. And they love the chewing thing. Dogs love that. So it's another aspect of their lives that you can put in to give them time to create the energy. Sound like Kamala Harris. Time's passage. Time to create energy. Same laugh, right? I got it. This is Fat Daddy's. Fat Daddy's. Little tiny place. Because after the hurricane, a lot of the places were not open. So there's Dustin sitting there. Everybody's talking to each other. Very friendly little town. Everybody talks to each other here, unlike other places. These are fried pickles with, I believe it's ranch.
Yeah.
Really, really good. These are excellent.
Here.
Oh, really? Your first hurricane ever?
Very first one ever. I'm from Vegas, Nevada.
Seafood
We don't have no
muffaletta.
weather, bugs or nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody's
this is
talking.
Such a
Seafood
culture
muffaletta.
shock and everything like that. Yeah. Like,
Catfish
well, I
and
moved to
shrimp.
Baton Rouge, but then I got.
I see you. Yeah. Hotel room in Plaquemine, Baton Rouge, the Western, Best Western. Starting at the front door, little place to hang your stuff, a microwave, and a fridge. Got some coffee maker. Your usual ironing board and iron. Now we'll go into the bathroom. It's a very nice bathroom. hair blower, of course your mirror, sink, usual ice bucket, towels, toilet. Standard shower, and it's not upgraded or modernized. It's like a bathtub shower type thing, but it's fine. All in all. Walls are painted in like a topaz color in the bathroom, accent wall. Moving out to the room. My junk is there, but you have a little dresser for your stuff, mirror, wall light, couch, which is convenient if you're staying by yourself, which I am right now because of the situation. Table. Moving over to the bed. I got one king bed, which is nice, seems nice. I don't know if it's comfortable yet. I have not tried it. There's your bed, headboard, and looks to be about I'd say it's got to be at least a 50-inch TV. It's a pretty big TV. Dresser here also, and window which faces out. I'll give you a view to the street. There is a train that goes by, I was told, at night, consistently, very loud, so they give you earplugs at the front desk for the train. Yeah, I have to stay here because I was staying with my ex-roommate, and I can't stay because he's running a business there, and things are a little upside down right now, so I checked in here. And that's the tour of the room, but I'll be seeing him later with the dogs, and I will be home on Saturday. So what?
Yep. Get off my bladder. You go sit. Hickory burger. It's got onion rings, patties, and bacon and stuff. With what are these called?
They're called crisscross fries.
That's not the right word, but sure.
Waffle fries?
That's the word, yeah.
Okay.
And then sweet potato fries.
This is etouffee crawfish. I'm pronouncing it wrong. With rice. So, that's what it is. Let's see what it is.
Leave it. We need to trim your nails. Yeah, we need to trim your nails. Mako.
Bless you. These for $1.68. Ripple potato chips, great value, Walmart brand, is a good effing deal. You don't want to spend a lot of money on chips because I know they're up to $4 or $5 a bag. Get these, $1.68 Ripple potato chips. A lot of them are compromised, meaning they're cut in half, but you still get the chip, and they're good. Get these chips.